Your PR Karma newsroom is easy and does not require any programming experience. This short video will run through the basics of setting up a newsroom and have you underway in no time. Having a newsroom makes it easier for journalists, influencers, media, bloggers, and researchers to quickly get information for a story. Journalists live in a world where they needed information yesterday. Having critical information like high-resolution images for print publications, media kits, and founder bios available increases the likelihood of your story getting media coverage. When you log into your account, you will see your dashboard. The dashboard is the overview of your account, showing the latest activity, subscription information, news you posted, images, followers, and the latest searches performed in your newsroom. On the blue menu bar toward the top, select Your Newsrooms to begin filling in your newsroom details. You are now presented with a newsroom widget screen where you will see widgets like newsroom info, company info, your team, your history, etc. You can also see how many newsroom views you have had and how many news releases, images, videos, and documents you have loaded into your newsroom. The widgets control the look and feel of your newsroom. You fill in the blanks or upload images when working within the widgets. As you add the information, your newsroom builds out automatically. You can click on the View Newsroom or Preview Newsroom on the right anytime to see how your newsroom looks. We will go through a few of the widgets to get you underway. Let's start with Newsroom Info. This first widget is where you add your logo for your newsroom. The recommended size for your logo is 250 pixels by 150 pixels. The Newsroom favicon is where you can add your favicon logo. The recommended dimensions are listed below. You can also add metadata to help search engines with descriptions and keywords. Like most social media channels, you also have a vanity URL that you can link to from your home page. Fill in the name you would like for your URL and click Save Newsroom Details on the bottom right. You will then want to name the link on your website homepage, either Newsroom or Media Room. See this website example. The company info is where basic company details like address information and business description reside. The basic description is displayed at the bottom of your newsroom homepage and on the About tab. Archive news links. If you have many news articles on your site, you may only want to add the most recent ones to your newsroom but still provide access to older material. Add the link to your website where all your news articles reside. When you add the link, a blue button labeled Archive News Releases will be displayed on the news page's right side. Here is an example. Your team. This section is where you can add noteworthy individuals within your organization. They are shown on the About page. Click Add Team Contact. You can also delete, edit, or add further individuals on this screen. Your history. Filling in details about what previous significant events have transpired with your organization will create a timeline of events on your About page. Having a timeline of significant events available to the media helps them immensely. Creating a timeline on PR Karma is easy. Click Add How You're Started. Fill in a date, title, and description, and the timeline on your About page starts to fill out automatically. Dates are automatically sorted and displayed chronologically from most recent to oldest. To keep this video shorter and digestible, we will show 2 more widgets. Media Kit and Marquee News. Let's start by building a media or press kit. You can build a media kit in 10 seconds if you have all your information and files selected for your media kit. Browse for your files or drag and drop them. Provide a name for your press kit with a description for the front and back, and optionally add a logo. Your new press kit will be displayed and accessible under your press kit section. Marquee News. The Marquee News is a great way to draw immediate attention to newsroom visitors. When activated, the Marquee News displays a green or red message at the top of every newsroom page. Here is an example. If you are making an announcement, this is a great way to draw attention to your messaging. Click the Marquee News widget. From the status drop-down, select Active. Choose a background color and a message that will be displayed. You can optionally have the message point to a URL. Choose a date to start the scrolling message and an end date, and then select Save Marquee News Details on the bottom right. The message is then displayed on every page until you change the status to not active or the end date is passed. In closing, by having a newsroom, it makes it easier for anyone researching the business aspects of your business to find the information they need to create an article or potentially get a television interview.